In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or have been navigating its robust features for a while, managing your tabs effectively can greatly enhance your productivity and ease of use. So let's dive in and see how this is done, step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for any customization or navigation changes you want to make in Salesforce. Familiarize yourself with this page as it provides a good overview of your dashboards, tasks, and other critical elements. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your homepage. Here you'll notice a pencil icon, which is our gateway to editing the tabs. When you click on that pencil icon, you open up options for customizing which tabs appear on your interface. This is particularly useful for tailoring your Salesforce experience to fit your personal workflow needs. Once you've clicked the pencil icon, you'll be in a position to edit your tabs. From here, you can alter the order of your existing tabs, remove ones you don't frequently use, or start the process of adding new ones to better align with your day-to-day activities. To add new tabs, go ahead and click on Add More Items. This action brings up a new set of options from which you can select additional functionalities or objects you want easy access to. Once you click there, a palette of choices unfolds. If you're looking to streamline this search, simply click on All. This allows you to see the full range of available items, giving you a comprehensive look at what Salesforce has to offer. If you already have a specific tab in mind, you can also use the search feature to quickly find what you're looking for instead of scrolling through all options. Next, once you've found the tab you wish to add, click on the plus sign next to the item. This is your prompt to add it to your main navigation bar. Clicking the plus sign ensures these new tabs are just a click away whenever you need them. After selecting your desired tabs, it's now time to solidify these choices. Click on Add Nav Items to ensure your selections effectively integrate into your existing tab setup. This step finalizes the addition process and places your new tabs prominently within your navigation. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This last step is crucial because it locks in all the changes you've just made. Skipping this step means you'll have to redo everything the next time you log in, so be sure not to overlook it. By following these instructions, you can customize your Salesforce environment to be more efficient and better suited to your needs. This tailored navigation can make a world of difference in how you interact with the platform and help streamline your workflow. Happy customizing!